Good day, or welcome to my channel once again. My name is Sylvester Izion. For those just joining us, today I'll be teaching us on how to do a very effective keyword research. Yes, doing a very effective keyword research is not very easy. Yes, it's not very easy. Like when you do keyword research for your gig, it's not easy. It's easy if you want, if you know it. Yes, it's easy if you know it. And I will be doing a very effective keyword research for you in this video so that you can see how this can be done, because before you can rank on Fiverr, your description, you have to have your keyword, your tags, you have to have your keyword, your images. If it's your gig image, you have to have your keyword. So I will show us how we can do this and do it in a very, very effective manner. Thank you very much, and please kindly click on the subscribe button if you are new to my channel, and also click on the notification button to get notified anytime I release a new video. And if you see along the line that you like this video, like what I do, kindly click on the like button so that the Fiverr algorithm can actually get to promote this video to a lot of persons. Thank you very much. I'm going to go to my PC right now so I can show you how we can actually do an effective keyword research. Thank you. How to do effective keyword research for your Fiverr gig. Doing a effective keyword research for your Fiverr gig is very easy, but a lot of persons don't know that. And what most thing that is very important when doing keyword research is know the niche you are going to. First of all, okay, imagine I'm going to WordPress website designing. How do I start my keyword research? So I'll show us how that can be done, because I believe in showing us practical aspects instead of just talking. So I'll go to my browser. So on my browser, I already have my Fiverr URL. So if I want to run that a gig and I want to do a keyword research for my gig, I have to, okay, imagine I want to do a WordPress website design. Or okay, you can just come here and say, so I will be picking some keyword. I will know, okay, somebody that is looking for a WordPress website, what is he looking for? I'm going to be looking for WordPress instead. So what I will do is, if it's going to be typing something like WordPress, what I will do is, okay, I'll come to WordPress. I'll come to type WordPress. You see, you can see what design is coming out. So what I will do with that instance here, you see, it said WordPress website design, WordPress plugin, WordPress speed, WordPress website, WordPress website speed optimized, WordPress developer, PST to WordPress. So these are particular keyword research you can do when it comes to WordPress website design. So what I will do here is I'll click on Notepad, and what I will do normally is I will come and first of all I can see I'm doing my keyword research now for my gig title. So what I will do, I'll probably click on WordPress. So first thing I will do is WordPress here. I'll do WordPress here. I'll come here and click on WordPress. So based on what I'm searching, sorry, that went out. So come back and I need to bring in, okay, WordPress. I'll put it down there. So I'll come down again and do something like WordPress, WordPress website design. So I'll come down again. I'll click on WordPress plugin. So these are long tail keywords. These are keywords. So I'll come down. The way I do my own keywords, so that's what I'm showing us now. I write the WordPress plugin out. So I'll write the WordPress speed. So you can see I'll come down again. I'll do website WordPress, because some persons can be so crazy. So this suggestion Fiverr is giving us is what people are actually looking for. Then I'll come here and do WordPress website can see this is a long tail keyword. Website speed optimization. Then you can see it was optimized, so you can use optimize or optimization there. So and next is WordPress developer. WordPress developer. And the next is PSD to WordPress. You can see now you have this keyword here. So what we next right now, I've done WordPress and the keyword has come out. That the keyword is you have done WordPress now and the keyword is out for WordPress. So the next thing I'm do is I'll look at, okay, I've come to WordPress here. Let me write WordPress info now. WordPress, you see WordPress working, WordPress page and the rest website. So the next thing I will do, I'll come and say, okay, WordPress. I'll start with A. WordPress A. So I'll know what somebody will keep. Okay, I see WordPress virtual assistant, WordPress web design and development, install WordPress web design and customize. So these are ways you can look for long tail keywords. So here now I'll come down again and put WordPress virtual assistant. I'll look at WordPress virtual assistant. You can see. Oh, sorry, I made mistake there. WordPress virtual assistant. So that is done. Okay, let's go down. You see, these are long tail keywords. And why we need these long tail keywords most times is now it shows you long keyword most people will actually be looking for. WordPress, the main services that actually rank, you can see it shows you services and under. So you cannot do WordPress website design, WordPress website design and development. And see, under you tell you install WordPress theme and customize. Okay, you can see the next one will be clean and modern WordPress website. Then next you see WordPress installation and demo upload. And see, without that, have that now, I've written that down. I'll come and say, okay, B. You can see now when I use B now, I see WordPress blog, WordPress blog physics. So I don't know if you understand what I'm showing you here now. So with this now, it's showing you keyword. I see WordPress B now, it's showing okay, WordPress blogs, WordPress blog fees. So it's giving such a suggested. This is a suggested search engine optimized keywords that you can use in doing a good search engine optimization for your Fiverr gig. So that is how you do a good search engine optimization for your keyword for your Fiverr gig. So with this, you see, I put B. I was bringing out it brought out WordPress blog fees, WordPress blog, functional WordPress blog website design. So with this now, I can now look at okay, fine. It's talking about WordPress blog, blog, website design. So these are um these are keyword I can actually use on my WordPress website, like my sorry, not my WordPress website, on my Fiverr gig. So I can say, okay, based on these searches now, you can see Fiverr is giving us possible searches, and just build my, I just build my this thing. I just build my own what do I call it? My own gig based on all these searches I'm getting. So I can just call and say, okay, my I now at the most part now, when I'm about building my Fiverr profile, what I will do next is I will just come here and I will come down to this platform and this notepad and construct my Fiverr gig ideas for my head now. Since I've already seen um what I can do and the kind of title I can use. So I can just come and say, instead, normal is I will. So I'll just come here and put I will. Um, I will do a professional, based on the professional I'm seeing here. And see, I'll do a professional, sorry for that, a professional. Okay, I can come here and say I'll be um, a professional WordPress based on what we use here now, WordPress websites. That you can see. So won't I use that WordPress website? So WordPress website now, because I know, okay, people will actually be searching for WordPress website there. So I can now, next thing I can do, I will come here. So I'll now put this particular keyword here in my description. WordPress bug fix. Yes, you can see WordPress bug fix here. I'll put that WordPress bug fix in my keyword too. Then next I'll now do command. I'll now put WordPress blog. Like this now, put in different keyword in my title. If somebody comes to Fiverr and asks and search for WordPress bug fix now, surely I'll be there. WordPress website design. If you come to look for WordPress website, I'll be there. Comes and look for WordPress blog, I'll be there. You can see the way it's very easy for you to actually search. So I won't go in depth with this because I'm actually doing a video on YouTube that will actually show you some basic tricks and tips on Fiverr. I won't be going in depth. I'll just show you the surface, and with that you can get idea of how this keyword research work and how you can do it effectively. So you can see I've covered in these few minutes. I've covered, if you can actually understand what I'm doing, I've actually covered a lot on how to get this keyword, how to get these keywords for your gig and do it in a very effective way. You can see how I started picking up what is my niche. Okay, it's WordPress website, if it's logo design I want to do. So let's go to logo design now and see a similar example. Logo design. So you can see logo design is going to come out, logo design, creative logo design. You can see different switch logo design. So you can use this to create your gig ideas and make your website search engine, I mean your gig search engine optimization. I'm sorry, make your gig search engine optimized. So that is just it. Very straightforward. And with this, I hope you actually learned a lot. Thanks for actually watching my tutorial, and hope you learned. If you actually learned a lot from this, kindly just click give it a like. Please just give a like, and that is just all I'll be needing for this tutorial. Give a like so a lot of persons will get to see this tutorial. Sorry I'm asking for this, but just do that so a lot of people will get to see it. Thank you very much, and see you in my next tutorial, which will be very nice and mind-blowing. So just stay tuned on my platform. Yo, thanks for watching that video. Like I'm actually excited, and I actually appreciate you a lot for watching that video, and hope you learned a lot from that video, because my aim on this channel is to make you learn new things every day, and get to know things that you don't know initially. Thank you for actually watching this video, and I really appreciate it once again. And if you have not clicked on the notification button, or you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do that so that you can get notified anytime I actually post a new video. And lastly, if you not like my video, please like this video so a lot of people can see this video out there. Thank you very much, and hope to see you in my next video.